These akereka are from a roof, which is the crown of the hut. They symbolize the value of our daughters to us as the crown of every household.
That's true. That's true.
Now, each of these akereka represents a bag of money. I have 30 of it here, and that is what we demand.
Ichezugo. It is obvious that your daughter deserves everything you are asking us.
$20.
Ichezugo, it is obvious that your daughter deserves whatever you ask us. But we cannot perform more than our capacity. 22 is the best we can do.
Well, we have accepted your 22 bags of money. Go and bring the money. Go and bring the money.
You see, we know you are from a very good family.
And you have convinced us that you are financially capable of taking care of our daughter. We are happy with you.
Bring the money.
This is 22 bags of money.
They are ready.
It is obvious that you are men of value.
That's it.
I have seen what you have placed before us. But as our culture demands, and because our daughters are inestimable and invaluable,
That's right.
we shall take only 2 bags of money. You will go with the rest of the money. You will hold on to these 2 bags of money as your commitment to the fact that you value our daughter and that you will make her happy, but not that you have bought her.
No. You have spoken like a true son of Igbo land. Yes. I cannot call you my in-law, or rather, our in-law.
Our in-law. Our in-law.
I greet you all.
Thank you.
Thank you for the honor of finding us worthy to take care of your daughter as your wife. Yes. And that is exactly what we are going to do.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We can go and tell the people now that we can now eat, drink, and conclude the marriage rites.
I am ready. Let us go. Who is there? Our in-laws. It's getting heavier. Oh.
Eh?
Go here, carry this thing. Let's go. Do you know how far we come? Oh, Unuji, you are coming with the wind, Nambi, against me. I thought, oh yeah, we are in Badele, Chozo. Oh, that's the end of Nana. Cadonian Jaguaru Noko. Nyabe, ask Nyakose. Know when I am almost home with my men. Imana, what are you telling me to walk? I go go here, Ochovo. I can go Gagolelia. The wind cannot do it. Yes. What are you telling me to walk? I go go here, Ochovo. Onye segun no nana. Aso. Mana kamba kubiku. Why ni never? Na nwata nsonso no so na emelele kwa. Eziokwu. Nwata obula si na nne amalarula. Anya ga-eyi oge. Maka nwata bụrụ nwa ụmụ ụzọ gbagbu onwe ya n'ọsọ. Eziokwu. O si na nne amalarula. Nwata obula si na nne amalarula. Oge ịmụ anya na. Maka na ọkụkọ bụ na be na ga na-agba egwu. Ndị ke na-agba egwu makala ga-ama ụzọ mana ọzọ ga-analele eziokwu maka na ọ bụ osisi gbara ngọ ka eji ama ọka atụtụ iwe mere ka eji ekpu ya odogwu ma mba ikuku ama n'ọnya mma analele na ikuku a na-amara n'ọnya ọkwamokwu aba mbụ akụ nne odogwu ekwu onye na okwere olili esi enyezi ọjụ na ọmali alie ya na ndụ. Let us go. Kaya, Ako, let's go. What happened? The gods of this land do not want us to pass, but their wind cannot stop us. The land cannot stop us. Who gave them the impetus? They do not muzzle enough compulsion to stop me. Omoba kunna nkodike. Odogwa na kpogu n'anya. Dike ndikelele. Ofam ka na abanti ka na abaji. Ana ma niwe nwe nwe obele nti. Obu na nna niwe ma nwe nti ka abaka. Let us go. Let's go.
Ah! Ikemba. Indeed, you are a great warrior. You see, the blood of our bravest ancestors flows through your veins.
Namdi. The leopard dared me. And today, its skin adorns the wall of my heart, Odogo Kebon, and the teeth on my neck.
Odogu?
Huh?
Ikemba!
You see, the scars of the fight have healed. But the people of Ebongu and environ will never cease to tell the story of how Ikemba, the son of Mwankwodo,
killed a leopard with his bare hands.
Mbonkiti! Mbonkiti no way, yeah?
It was not an easy fight. In fact, it was the greatest battle of my life. At some point in the heat of the fight, I knew I was standing at the boundary between the land of the living and the abode of the gods. But I knew that my rendezvous with the gods had not yet come. But I knew I had to prove a point to the gods. I knew I had to make them understand that even when I meet them...
Take it easy. Ikemba, I know you're a formidable warrior, but you have to be economical with your choice of words so you don't say what will anger the gods.
Anger the gods? Namundi, you of all people should know that I am a god. Huh. And should never be afraid of my fellow gods.
Should I start washing my hands to arrive?
Is it not said that a man who is waiting for his beloved often hears the footsteps of spirits? The same way a man who is waiting for food will keep swallowing saliva. If you want. Here she comes. Huh? Hey.
Ikemba-Dike, the husband of my youth and the bravest warrior that has ever lived.
Mono.
The one who has conquered my soul and taken my love captive.
Mono. My beautiful wife. Please, heap all the praises on me. Heap all the praises on me. At least let this bachelor be motivated to go and take a wife.
Utom, please allow me to increase the number of years you have to live here on earth with this.
Omaka.
Matthew.
My husband.
You have not only increased the number of years I have to live on earth, you have also increased the life of this bachelor, because he's going to partake of this.
Ikemba. Can't you just say a word without mentioning that bachelor? Or if you cease to mention bachelor, with your name change from Ikemba to Ikembe?
Nandi, yeah? You don't have to kill yourself over this.
Will you wash your hands?
Hi. Hi. Oh. The texture of the apple. The aroma of the soup has already told me how delicious the soup will be.
Thank you.
You have just increased. This is yours. Take it.
Hey! Ikemba Wokoma. They are all ivory. My husband, I know this must have cost you a fortune too. Ugoye name. I have only seen this on the wrists and necks of very rich people. They are so beautiful.
My wife is more precious than any jewelry on earth. And she deserves the best of everything.
Thank you. I have to go and show Nate this. Thank you.
This is how you treat a wife. You know, you bachelors will not understand.
Ako, do you really think we are doing the right thing?
This is Annie. She has never tasted human blood. But today, I will offer your blood to her. And as the first person to ever make it happen. And it will make you the greatest priest that has ever lived. You hear that? He had just spoken as if the wisdom of our ancestors put those words in his mouth. Anne, powerful daughter of the great Chukwokike, Nebulu Mother, our earth goddess, ruler of the underworld, guardian of harvest, and the goddess of fertility. You give life, and you also welcome the dead. Quiet! Quiet! How dare you interrupt me in this process of the earth cleansing ritual?
Honestly, I am tired. I am exhausted. But I am telling you the truth. I am in shock. She spoke to me. She said that you must not kill me. That was what she said.
Well, hold on. What? Sangwa!
Please, believe me. I am saying the truth. It was Annie that spoke to me. Believe me, I am not lying. She said that if you desecrate a shrine with human blood, angry beasts will sting you to death.
Quiet! Why did you speak of our earth goddess in that manner? What do you know about Annie and her way? Listen, I will not allow you.
She said that you have already desecrated your mind with the thought of murder, and you are no longer worthy of becoming the Ezani or marrying Neka, who has been destined to give birth to the next prince of Annie. You see, you should not have tried to...
Be quiet! What do you know about Neka? I mean, what did you just say? What do you know? How do you know about Neka?
Annie told me. She spoke to me.
Annie. Annie. Is this a joke? See. I will not allow you to do this injustice to me. I will not allow you to do this injustice to me. I will not. Nwagu ada bụ nwa na anụ ogburu. Agụ ada ebu anụ ọ bụrụ nwa. And nobody takes the wife of a bug just because the bug has a small penis. It has been 3-4 moons since the death of my father, and I've been here. I've been cleaning this shrine. I've been serving you, expecting you to name me the next Ezane, but you kept silent. Now I know now that you do not want me to be great, to be powerful. But you see, I have this for you. If you don't want me to serve you, so what? No problem. But I tell you, nobody, no human, not even the gods, can take a neck away from me. It will never happen. Never. Tie her and make it so tight that she will not escape. And you come with me.
Where's the angry?
Keep quiet.
Did I say something wrong? Where are you going? Okay, I am sorry if I said something wrong, but please, you can't leave me here all alone. You can't. Help! You can't leave me here. Don't be an animal to make it suicide. What? Are you really going to leave me here all alone? You can't leave me here all alone. You must be mad to feel you can't. Hello. Are you there?
Ikemba. Mono. Ikembo Dogu. I must confess, the gods have given you the blessings every man will want. The strength of 10 men and a beautiful wife who loves you with all her heart and cooks with the skills of a goddess.
That is because I am equally a god.
Hey, see, I want to have a wife like her. Hold it there. Don't even mention you found one for me. Don't go there. Don't.
Yes. No problem. Let's talk about my wife. You see, the first time I set eyes on her, I knew instantly that my mother had made the right choice for me. You know, Neka has given me so much joy within this short period that we have been married, that sometimes I begin to wonder what I was thinking that made me not to have married her years ago.
And looking at her, she looks strong for farm work.
Farm work? Namani, you don't understand it. You don't. Ikemba's wife cannot do any kind of farm work. In fact, I am planning to convert the large expanse of land behind her hut to a barn. Stock it with food. She will not lack anything.
Why yo?
I just want to show you how much she means to me.
Obuago, Ikemba.
To tell you how much she has done. In fact,
Amalicham, hey, Odawalago Aba, Masiolu, Odawalago Aba.
Yeah. You have made me a very happy man. Very happy. Not just me, but this bachelor. As you can see, he ate your food. He ate to his feel that he has forgotten the road to his house. Mboloma, my mind is telling me to do something very nice for you.
Obuago, you have done more than enough for me.
I have not even started. Huh? I have not started. Tell me, what is your heart desire? Talk to me, tell me, and I will make it happen. It will be done.
My husband.
What are you waiting for? Do you think I have any time to waste? Something is not right. I've been thinking about it. I wanted to find out if Ikuku is thinking in the same direction.
And what exactly is that?
The girl we kidnapped. What about her? She's from a distant land. How could she hear and understand Annie? Who told her about Neka? And the ways Anna met out punishment?
Ikoye,
Ikoye, why do you always think like somebody with a broken skull? We kidnapped her because our people believe she's a sorcerer. She could have used whatever little power she has to know those things. Maybe you've forgotten the crazy story she told us? Or you think it is from her travels with her father? Anyway, there is only one way to confirm what she said about Neka. And that is what I am going to do exactly. Come with me.
Who's Ando?
I greet you.
I greet you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh yeah.
I'll be on my way.
Adamu, how are you?
I greet you.
I greet you too. How are you? Who's Ando? Do you know why I said you should greet? When you were leaving?
No.
I wanted to be sure that the woman approaching is your wife. Uzondo. On no occasion, in fact, no circumstance must make you walk ahead of your wife. You are supposed to be behind her, to protect her against any predator. When a man loses a woman, you have lost a whole village. Don't you know?
I understand what you're saying. But what if she can't walk fast? And I cannot walk like a snail.
You know, the snail might be slow, but the snail has a way it walks over thorns and sharp objects. Now you are fast. Can you walk over sharp objects and thorns?
No.
Remember, I followed you to go and marry her, and we made a promise that we will protect her. And my wife. No sane man will refuse you humble request of a good wife. Always remember that.
I remember, Nine. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you. Oh yeah. Odogu. Aduma. Neka.
What a pleasant surprise. I hope you had a very successful
Where is
trip.
Neka? Woman, are you deaf? Didn't you hear my question?
Aruna, the woman you are yelling at is my wife, and she's old enough to be your mother. I will not have you talk to her like that in my presence. You should learn how to be respectful.
Now, please forgive me. I think the stress of being far away for too long is affecting me. I would like to see Neka.
From the tone of your voice, it is obvious you have been told that Neka has been married to Ikemba Nwakwodo from your town.
Yes.
Ezuko.
Yes.
I don't think you understood what you did. You did not just stir 1,000 beehives. You rather stayed back to dance at the log before the angry bees.
Ezugo, that arrogant boy's threat is valid. You don't have to wait until the rain starts falling before you take a shit.
Nee, you have been smiling like someone who took a full cup of Okati with palm wine. What is going on?
Nee, Ikemba is making me reach for the clouds with his generosity and words of praises. I don't know what good I have done to deserve all those.
I want you to know that whatever happiness he feels because you are his wife pales in comparison to what I feel here because you are my daughter-in-law.
Nee.
Did he enjoy the meal you made for him?
Nee. He so enjoyed it that he asked me to tell him whatever I wanted so he could make it happen. Nnamdi also ate with him. He was so overfed that he found it difficult to get up and go home.
Beautiful. Getting him addicted to good food is one way you have control over your husband without him getting any wiser. Most importantly, it complements the special bond he already has with your body.
Ned, do you have to say that?
Yes, I have to. Now that his friend has gone, I want you to go in there and take good care of him.
Ned, what are you saying?
You don't have to wait for nightfall before you go and reap the fruits of the love you planted in his heart. Nem, go in there. Whatever chores you have left, I'm going to take care of them. Yes. Gaba? Gaba Nem.
Get out of my way.
And if I don't, Nnamdi, if I don't get out of your way, what will you do?
I don't have time for your nonsense.
I have not given you the right to talk to me in that manner, and I will not tolerate it. What do you think you are? Even Obwagikemba does not carry himself the way you foolishly do, and would certainly not talk down on anybody. But look at you. What is it that you have achieved in this life that gives you the right to rise with pride like a soured soup?
Adora, I will not warn you again. Get out of my way.
So you even know my name. Good. You will always remember it as the name that ruined your useless life. Foolish man. Just wait and see. I will make you regret everything.
Get out of my way. You value your life. Get out of my way.
Nnamdi! Nnamdi, my father must hear this! Just look at him, foolish man!
That bloody fool thinks he knows how to tie things up. He should have begged me to teach him one or two tricks. I need to get out of here before they come back.
Odogu agaleya. Akun Odogu. Akun. There is a problem.
A problem?
A problem that is bigger than you. That's why I didn't greet you. Ikoye! Ako. I was just giving him a warning that when next he sees your face wrinkled as it is now, I should not bother to greet you.
My face wrinkled?
Rumpled. I should keep his useless greetings to himself. It was just a friendly warning.
There is no gainsaying that the wisdom of the gods is beyond human comprehension. The gods have blessed Akuna with the strength of more than 10 men. He is a successful merchant. But the gods, in their own wisdom, they allowed his ego to be over-bloated. Now he's not arrogant and a fool at that. Eh?
If he knows what is good for him, he will leave my daughter alone. He may have the strength of 10 men, but all I have to do is to go to Anyegbengu with kola nuts and present my complaint.
But unfortunately, Anyegbengu had been silent since the death of Akuna's father. And do not forget that he was the last Izani of Anyegbengu.
I have even forgotten that.
But don't let us worry ourselves about that. Our son-in-law is equal to the task. He is one of the greatest warriors they have in Egbengu land.
You are right. Obuaguogom.
Obuaguogwain.
Obuaguogom.
Odima. Ogoi. Ogwain.
Things have been running in all directions and in no particular direction. I am so angry right now. I would not have been in this situation if it does. Why are people so wicked? I thought I liked listening to stories. I do not know they had plans to kidnap me and even sacrifice me to their god. May that their God punish them so severely that they will beg for death to take them away. I have to find my way home. And I will make sure my father pays the best warriors he can find to hunt that evil man down and send him to his ancestors. Which direction should I go?
Neka, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? I'm bringing her. What are you doing here?
Neka,
Obin.
you can see that we have visitors. Let us treat them like visitors.
Hi.
Izunano, I didn't. That's in Abalum. It is said that one who refuses Nzu of marrying did not come for peace.
I'm not here for peace. Neck belongs to me, and I have come to take her with me. Yes.
You have come to take a married woman with you. What was that your name again? What?
You know better than to cross paths with me. Neka! Neka!
Now I remember your name. Akunna. Now listen. You walked into my compound. But I swear by the gods, if you don't leave right now, I'll make this clown carry you out. Leave.
You know my capability, yet you dare threaten me. Beating on his knees, are you? Me? Yes.
Pick it!
Take it and fight me! Let us see who will beg for his life!
No! No, stop! Stop it, please! Stop! Stop!
Ikemba, you have just started something you will not be alive to see through. And you, it's either you go with me today, or I'll make you a widow tomorrow and still marry you. Yeah, come, let's go.
Get back here. No. No. This is not possible. I ran out of this place. And I ran straight. How is it even possible that I am back here?
Erima.
Stop! Did I just hear someone call my name, or am I imagining things? I think this whole thing is just crazy.
Erima, sit down!
I said I am not going to sit down! Have I started talking to myself? No! I did not imagine it! I heard it! Whoever you are, I heard you! I was not talking to myself! I was not!
Sit down!
I said I am not going to sit down! I will not sit down! Who are you? Show your face! Show your face! You want to make me scared? I am not scared! If you think you are brave enough, show your ugly face! Show your face!
Sit down!
okay. You have won. I am scared. Please. Have I been kidnapped? I guess not. So, I will just leave here and go back to my village. I don't want any problem. I don't. Thank you.
You're going to need every bit of it. Sit down and rest.
I am sat down. I am sitting. I am seated.
I am Akunna, the son of Nkwodike. And nobody will make a fool of me, not even the gods. Nobody will take what belongs to me. Not in this life. Not in the afterlife. Neka is mine. She is mine. Hello. How are you?
I am fine.
My name is Akunna Nkwodike. I'm a trader from Ebengu. And as you can see, we are just coming back from the market. Ekumweze. What is your name?
My name is Neka.
Neka. Neka, you must be from... Are you from this village?
Yes, this is my village.
I've been coming to Umweze for quite some years now. But I must confess, I have never set eyes on a girl as beautiful as you are. And your mother must be a goddess.
I am used to men flattering me, but...
No, I don't intend to flatter you. Anyway, I wouldn't want to stop you from going to the market. But I want to come and see your people.
Why would you want to come and see my people?
Ezugo, I am here to inform you that I have a very important journey to embark on. And when I return, I will make you realize how much I desire to make your daughter, Neka, my wife.
You want to marry my daughter?
Yes.
And this journey you want to embark on?
I don't have to give you details. Yes. But I want you to know that it is for something that will restore the dignity and the lost glory of our people. As the only man born of a woman to achieve this feat, I have accepted to make the ultimate sacrifice. Yes.
Matter of life and death?
No. You have nothing to worry about. The death that will kill me, Akunna Nkwodike, that death is yet unborn. No! What did I do to deserve this mortification from Annie? How could Annie take away my birthright? And as if that is not enough, she conspired with these other people to take away my love, the love of my life. They have crossed all the limits. And I will make them pay. I will make them pay.
Akuna, how are we even sure that Annie spoke to that strange girl?
If Annie didn't speak to her, how will she know the ways of Annie and Nneka? She has not been in this part of the world. How could this be? How do I explain this to people? How do I tell the world that instead of me, Akuna Nkwodike, and he chose to make a total stranger, a mere girl, her mouthpiece? No.
A girl you even brought to sacrifice to her?
Yes. I brought a fair girl, a fair virgin, to sacrifice to Annie, and Annie rejected her. Is Annie not ungrateful? Ako, I don't think you should be speaking that way. Annie could get angry and you know... Shut up! I can say whatever I want to say and Annie will do nothing. Annie does not deserve my respect.
Akuna, it is true that people hardly go to the shrine these days. But if the people find that girl there and she speaks with them, they might even believe that Annie has chosen your father's successor. They might even believe it is the will of Annie that Ikemba and Nneka are married.
Ikoye. Ikuku. As soon as the moon sits on its throne, we'll go to the shrine. Yes, we'll go to the shrine and kill her. Then I will face Ikemba. And I'll show Ikemba that if I cannot have Nneka, nobody, no single person, dead or alive, will have her. Yes. Akuna, do we have to wait till nightfall before we kill her? This is one insult I cannot take.
Exactly what I told him. But he slapped me and said that even your ancestors are afraid of him. So he would insult you and there is nothing you would do about it.
He said that my ancestors are afraid of him?
Papa, you need to see how he mercilessly threw me to the ground and rumpled me with sand and grasses.
That young man has bitten more than he can chew. I don't blame him. If Ikemba did not bring him and assured me that he had good intentions, would I have accepted to? I will make him suffer. And I will also make sure that Ikemba...
Papa, it wasn't Namdi who said I was badly raised. So, it is him who is to be punished. I don't know how I would even face him if he gets away with this madness he has exhibited. Just look, my whole body is just scratching me. Let me go and bathe his hot water and see if I can get better.
That young man will pay dearly for this.
I have never doubted my instinct. When Mmachi told me about you, I followed her to Ekumweze. And when I saw the way you were diligently helping your mother with her words, and the way you were talking to your customers, I knew instantly I had found a wife for my soul. Me. Even before I told Okoye, my late husband's brother, to make some inquiries and perform divination to know more about your family history. The little questions I asked in the market proved to me that you are a good girl, that you belong to this family.
Mama, I am happy to be here.
My daughter, and you will always be happy to be here. Neka, Mama, I think it's time you go and be with your husband.
But we are still discussing and
I know we are still talking. But I've said the way he has been hovering around. I want you to go in there. Get in his bed. Gather all your energy. Don't allow him to win you. You know when you ignite fire and sustain it in the action, that will result to the pregnancy that produces healthy children. I need healthy grandchildren. Gabano. Go and show my son. Show him the stuff you're made of. Gaba.
She's gone.
Ikuku, I told you to tie her very well. Didn't I? She has to be here. She has to be. Look around. Check everywhere. She has to be here.
There is nowhere she can hide here.
Hey, shut up! She must have disappeared. She didn't disappear. Ikuku, I can see that both of you are becoming useless. You are becoming useless. I told you. You couldn't tie up a girl. Just one task. Only one task. And you failed woefully.
I'm sorry.
Shut up. You failed. I don't think she has gone very far. I don't think so. We must have to find her. We must have to come.
Did you not see me? I was standing right here. Yes. They did not see me. This is amazing. But how? Hello? Can you hear me? Why did they not see me? Hello? You don't want to talk, right? But when I was not in the mood to talk, you were busy telling me to sit down. I can't even go out of here. Because you keep pushing me back each time I try to gently go away. Hello? You don't want to talk? Okay. Fine!
Why is it that life is so unfair? Look at Ikemba. Just imagine how things are going on so well for him, and I have nothing to show as his best friend. He continues to outshine me in everything we do. Just look at the woman he married. Good and a beautiful woman. And he wanted me to marry that badly raised girl from his kindred. Obviously, he doesn't wish me well. Ikemba does not respect me. Not at all. He doesn't want my progress. Do I have to watch him progress? No.
Who are you?
My name is Erima. I came to take my bath. It's Okoye. How can you not recognize me?
Recognize you? I have never set eyes on you. How did you know my name?
Why are you asking me too many questions? Oh, is it because you did not get any response the last time you secretly came to the shrine of Annie?
Who are you? Are you a water spirit? Have you come to kill me? Tell the gods, it is not yet my time. Tell them, it is not yet my time. Tell them.
What is wrong with him? Why would I want to kill him and why would I want to kill anybody? Funny old man. I need to find out why he's running away before I go find that kidnapper. Hey! Why is he running? What is wrong with him?
Okoye, what is the problem? What is after you?
She must be a spirit. Yes.
She?
She must have walked out of Olase River. I just saw her. A young woman. She called my name. She's the fairest person I have ever set eyes on. I thought she was. Oh, there she comes. Yes, that is her.
I am Ikemba Nwankwodu. I fear no human or spirit. Who are you?
My name is Erima. I came from a very distant land. Did I actually come? No, I was kidnapped and brought here.
Are you a water spirit?
No! No, I am not a water spirit. And why would you even think I am a water spirit? Look, I am human. I just told you I came from a very distant land. I really don't know how far it is from here, but I know it is very far from here. Do you understand what I am saying?
You must be a spy. Sent by our enemies.
To do what? To do what? Do you really think you have enemies? Oh. Yes. You do have an enemy. When you go to the stream, when the water is calm, take a look in it. The reflection you see is your enemy. See, I am not a spy. I just told you I was brought here by a kidnapper. And no, I just want to go back to my village.
How did you come here?
You look intelligent. Why does it seem like you have difficulty understanding me? I just told you I was brought here by a kidnapper. Okay. How do I make this simpler for you? Alright, let me try. I said I was at the stream where I went to take my bath and wash my clothes.
You must really think that you are intelligent, but you talk too much for your own good. You are not from here, but you already know that Ichi Okoye is my uncle, and you know the road to your kidnapper's house. What kind of a story is that?
How would I know? And is the old man not your uncle? Yes, I know the way to my kidnapper's house. You can even come with me if you want. I just want him to tell me how to go back to my village.
You know the road to your kidnapper's house, but you don't know the road to your village.
It is confusing, right? Well, I wouldn't blame you if you're confused because I'm confused too. Matiolu. Neka. Oh. Matiolu. She did not even tell me she was in love. Neka. Yes. Matiolu. Now you're going. What happened? What's after you?
Udenko, I don't know if we are safe or not. My eyes have just seen my ears. Yes. You can't believe the spectacle I just witnessed. She must have been a spirit sent by Annie because...
Who? Oh. Like, what are you talking about?
If not for your son. If not for your son, maybe the spirit would have taken me to the land of the dead.
My son? What has my son got to do with the spirit?
Oh, he stood his ground and questioned the spirit. Ikemba was brave enough.
Ikemba?
Yes.
Questioned a spirit? How? Where? Where did this happen? No, I have to go in search of them. Where did you see them? I did not know he was a very wicked man. I thought he was enjoying the stories I was telling him about the places I have been to with my father. I never knew he had plans to kidnap me. I love to travel. Did I tell you my father is a great merchant in my village? Well, so most of the things I've been telling you sound like folk tales to you. What do you think?
Has anybody ever told you that you talk too much?
You said that before. But do I really talk too much?
Just give your mouth a rest and keep moving.
Okay, I am moving. So, are you saying you have not gone beyond the boundaries of this village? In that case, I won't be surprised if your knowledge about the world is very limited. Do you know I have even met with the Potikiri people that are from across the 7 seas and that...
Hey, keep quiet!
Is this how you talk to women?
I know women. I know they talk a lot, but not the way you do. What are you?
Take a very good look at me. Do I look like a man to you? Huh? I am a woman. Wait a minute. Do you still think I am a spirit or something like that?
Just give your mouth a rest and keep moving.
Okay. I'm not going to talk. I'm not going to tell you the other time I went hunting with my father. You will not in your wildest imagination believe that I went to places, good places, and I met good people. By this length. You don't want me to tell you. Be there. I'm going to tear that girl into tiny bits and pieces today. Who does she think she is? I'll make sure I deal with her today. I've always avoided people like her because of obvious reasons. I'm going to deal with her today. I'm going to show her what fire does with the ears of the rat.
You have my support. I told her that you're not going to spare her, but she thought I was joking. Do you know she actually said you cannot do anything to her?
I cannot do anything to her?
Yes.
Look, come with me. You will see what I'll do to her. I'll break her tiny bones. Ifeoma, you talk too much. If nobody has ever told you this, know it today that you talk too much, and it is very bad. In the bid to talk more than every other person in the world, you say things you're not supposed to say. And you, Adora, green snake in a green grass. You look quiet and innocent, but you're very mischievous and you lie a lot. The darkness in your soul can make a moonlight night very jealous.
Arima, let's go.
Ifeoma, you had better not fight Chiadi. Because she's innocent of all the allegations the slow poison you call a friend accused her of. She's the one that said it. She said all the things she accused Chiadi of. Adora, so you want Ifeoma to fight Chiadi? Because she exposed your lies to your other friends, right? You see? This is the reason suitors who keep coming to ask your hand in marriage abandon you as quickly as they come and ask questions. Can you start talking, Adora? Can you start talking? Eh?
Did you just tell someone that she talks too much?
Yes. She's a talkative. And it is a bad thing to be a talkative. But I doubt if anybody has ever told her. So I have to tell her so she... What is happening? How did I know their names? How?
You talk too much.
Do you think I told them the truth?
Hey.
How did I know the things I said to them?
You talk too much. Let's go. You talk a lot! Don't say a word. Don't say another word. Move.
I don't know why you keep telling me I talk too much.
Leave me alone! Eh? What's your problem? Why are you hiding behind me?
Nnamdi, you know I don't like trouble. Tell this girl to leave me alone. Oh. Tell her to leave me alone before things will turn ugly.
Nnamdi, please, I beg you. Step aside. Let me do to this girl what she wants me to do to someone else. I promise you, I will not kill her.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Nnamdi, I will not kill her, but I will leave her crippled.
You see, I don't know why she's holding on to me. Have her, she's all yours.
Nnamdi,
leave me alone!
Don't do this to me. No, don't do this to me. Forgive me if I've ever done anything wrong to you. Tell her to leave me alone.
Leave you alone? Liar! Did you say anything when that stranger was telling us everything?
I didn't say anything because I was too shocked to her lies.
They're still talking.
Calm down. Calm down. Bring your mind down, okay? I will beg you to allow her to go with her evil spirit of madness. You see, she's not worth your troubles.
Nandi.
Never. Oh, Nandi, please step aside. This girl is lying. You and I know we've not seen that girl before. How did she get to know our names? And even find out we are discussing about Chedi, who was not there with us. Bonuza, Nandi. Bonuza, let me do with this girl.
Nandi, don't step aside though. Don't step aside. This girl has gone mad. I'm sure you don't want a mad girl to beat up a girl you wanted to marry.
I've gone mad.
Yes.
I've gone mad.
Yes, you're mad.
Hey, stop it, stop it! Stop it! If you people don't stop this madness, I'll make sure that both of you are severely dealt with. What's all this? Meanwhile, who is the strange girl you were talking about?
Why are you quiet? You do not like conversations, or you think I am lying?
Shut up. Stop talking.
What is going on? This is the man! This is the man who kidnapped me!
Can you just keep quiet? Stop talking for a while, can you?
Yes, I can. But first, I have to go and meet him to show me how to find my way back to my village. What? What an insolent girl. I greeted her but she ignored me. People in this village are not friendly at all. Kidnapper. Why is everyone in this village very unfriendly?
What are you doing here?
I want to go back to my village and you're going to take me there right now.
The question is, who brought you here? How do you know where I live?
I just came here. That is all I know. Anyway, I must warn you to get the thought of killing me off your mind unless you want to be doomed. Do you understand? Have you seen Nneka?
Ikemba, where have you been?
My son, what is going on? Ikemba!
I just hope the spirit has not turned his head inside out.
Ikemba, what spirit didn't I say that you confronted? He's not even talking to me.
The worst has happened.
No, not in this life. A lump palm fruit does not slot in the fire. I will never wash my hands only to crack palm kernel for chickens. Nayokoye, I will get to the bottom of this.
Udimko, wait. Let us not jump to conclusions yet. Let us give him more time and see if he will come around.
Ikemba. Nine.
Nneka, why?
My husband, I don't understand. Why what?
Is it that I am not man enough for you? Or that you have become so shameless that...
You are man enough for me. Why are you asking this question?
Ikemba, what is it? Nneka, what is going on?
What exactly is going on between you and Akona?
Nothing.
My love, you should know that if his ego and pride didn't bring him here, I wouldn't have set eyes on him again. Nothing is going on between me and...
Ikemba!
You are still asking stupid questions?
Ikemba, if you touch her one more time, I will forget that you are my son. I will send rains that gathered snow cloud after you. I will make you wrestle with the mud. Have you gone mad? If you have been possessed by malevolent spirits, I will make them leave you in such a manner that you shudder each time you remember it. Are you okay? How dare you? How dare you beat your wife?
What exactly is going on?
Who is not humble enough to bring his kinsmen to ask for your hand in marriage. If he comes to your father's house, he would know you belong to a people who can defend you when the need arises. Nina, what is wrong with you?
Ne, you know he's the greatest hunter in his village.
That is what?
And if I don't marry him now, another girl will.
Another girl what? Nina!
You are the daughter of Izugo, and it is only natural that you are expected to show more intelligence than your peers.
But father...
Listen, my daughter. I made the back of many great wrestlers to touch the earth in defeat. I lost count of how many heads I sliced off the neck of the bodies in battles. I was the greatest of my time. Yet, your mother did not run after me. So you, my daughter, will never run after any man.
Nine. I have no intention of running after Akuna. I was just talking about why it all boils down to the fact that duty teaches every young girl to make herself beautiful and be of good behavior is just to attract eligible men for marriage, right?
Good behavior. Beauty. Beauty. Beauty of the soul, mind and body is expected of everyone, irrespective of the gender, my daughter.
Yes, father.
Your duty is just to be a woman, to help raise the next generation of great men and women.
Thank you very much, father.
Any man who wants you must fight other competition to get your attention. Ikemba and his people have come to show us their interest in marrying you. Once I finish my inquiries into their family history, I'll make a decision. And be rest assured that my decision will be to your best interest.
How could he stoop that low?
I would never thought he could do such a thing. I mean, how can a man celebrated for his strength suddenly become such a common gossip? Papa, I wish you were there. There is nothing that you can imagine that Ikemba did not tell this stupid girl to tell me in public. To the hearing of everybody.
I had wanted to confront him when Nandi beat you up, but you stopped me. This time, I won't allow you to stop me.
If it had happened in this village, I wouldn't be feeling this terrible. But it was at Ndiagu, where I went to see my friend Ifoma. I am sure the terrible thing she said must have spread across the entire Ebengu.
Ikemba will hear from me. He might be physically strong, but I will teach him that my influence cuts across the 4 villages that make up this town. And that makes me very powerful. Ikemba, I love.
You look like someone is running away from evil spirit. What is wrong?
Have you seen somebody running away from evil spirit before?
Ikuku, learn how to keep quiet if you have nothing important to say. Ako, we are actually on our way to your house. People have been talking about the fair girl. It seems she appeared in this village.
Appeared? Aku, someone said she saw her with Ikemba. I don't know how true it is, but I think we should go there right away and find out what she has told him.
There's no need looking for her. As I speak now, she is in my house. We'll have to take her to any bush anywhere and kill her.
How did she find her way to your house?
Of a truth, I don't know. I don't know. Do you think it's Ikemba that brought her to your house? I wouldn't know. Oh, Annie. Remember, she said that if we kill her, that Annie... Too quiet. I don't care. I am not afraid of Annie. I said it. We kidnapped the spirit.
What are you people still waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
Our wife. What is the problem? Why are you crying?
No, it's nothing.
How can you tell me it's nothing? You're walking along the road crying and you said nothing. Where is Ikemba?
He's at home.
Alright then. I'll go straight to the home and find out why he allowed you to be in this condition. You why? Why are you carrying this baggage?
Please, you are not going to tell him that you saw me. Please, don't tell him that you saw me. Please.
Don't tell me you're going back to your father's place. Neka, what is the problem? Don't tell me you're going back to your people because of that strange girl he was seen walking around the village with.
Strange girl? Which strange girl?
What I'm trying to say is that...
Nnamdi, are you trying to say that Ikemba wants to marry another wife?
I didn't say that. I was only wondering if I had a fight with him over some baseless rumor.
Baseless rumors? Nnamdi, what is this all about? Nnamdi.
I don't have any problem with you. But he came back and have everything going on well for him. Nobody in this world deserves a perfect man.
Nneka! Ikemba! Where is she? Where is my daughter-in-law? I don't know what gave you the impression that you have any right to lay your hands on your wife.
I am a full-grown man, and I have the right.
Keep quiet! Full-grown man indeed. Listen, I am your mother and the Ochora of the women in this village. You have to respect all that. Take it from me. You have no justification to lay your hands on your wife. She is not your slave.
I told you what she did, and the fact that she tried to deny it. Yet you think I do not have any justification.
Ikemba! Two wrongs can never make a right. You can reprimand your wife, but beating her is an abomination. It underscores your weakness rather than your strength. If you have any reason not to stay married, take her back to her people. Not laying your hands on her. She is not your slave.
Mother.
You heard me. How do I even face the shame that my own son beat up his wife? Ikemba, get ready to dance to the music that Umuomu, Ndinyum and elders of this clan will play for you.
It has become obvious to me that my feelings do not matter to anyone. You don't care how I feel, but you know what? I care. And I am waiting. I'm waiting for that person who will come here to play the music that I, Ogwago, will dance to.
Ikemba, what did you just say?
The opinion of sheep, goats, will never bother the tiger.
Akuna, I don't want it to seem like I'm talking too much. But I don't know how many times you want me to tell you that I want to go back home. You brought me here to kill me. But Annie does not want me to die. So I strongly suggest that you take me back to my people. You two had better talk some sense into him. Because if I get angry, I will not spare it out of you. Go on, make him understand. Go, go, go! I am hungry. Very hungry. I just said I am hungry. And both of you are looking at me like goats. Don't you know what it means for someone to be hungry? Or do you want me to feed you grass? Have you clowns ever been hungry before? Are you going to get me something to eat or do you want me to eat you?
Get her something to eat. Make her something to eat.
Just because you said so? She's getting too arrogant for my liking. If she's hungry, let her make her own food.
Hey! Don't let me repeat myself. Both of you, Get us something to eat. Come with me.
Get my food.
I feel like wringing her neck. Let's do something that will stop her from disappearing and appearing.
She's behind you.
Neka, you will not leave this home again. What has come over you? Do you think that this family woke up one morning and developed a right type of madness that pushed us into coming to marry you? The way your people asked questions about my son and my family was the same way we asked questions about you and your family. My son told me what he saw. But because of my findings, I never believed that you have an affair with Akuna. Now tell me what exactly happened. Neka, there are certain problems that tears cannot solve, and this is one of them. Now tell me exactly what happened.
I really want to tell you, but I can't. I'm sorry.
You can't?
No, I'm sorry.
You will not go to Ebengu. You will not speak with our daughter or our son-in-law. You will not say anything. I have put everything in place. I've made all arrangements. So everything is intact.
No, Fabrizio. I went to your house, but I was told that you are here.
Akuna! Akuna rubbed devil's pain on his body, poured water on himself, and hugged us. Oh, Akuna. We will teach him a lesson. We will teach Akuna that the forest that abhors baskets does not sprout mushrooms. Are you ready?
Yes. I have instructed my wife to go to her father's house. And the warriors are ready. As soon as you command us, we will march to Ebengu and pay Akuna and his cohort an unpleasant visit.
My knees are on the ground. Please, let us not do anything that will jeopardize the chances of my husband coming back alive. Please.
Our wife, why are you begging? Why? The warriors of this land have never lost any battle. And this one will not be an exception.
What?
Who is it we're not cowards? Akuna tried us. Do you know what he has thought? He thinks we are fools. No, if we don't fight now, he will take us as fools. We will not allow it.
This should not cause a war between us and the Ebengu people. Besides, I told you he wants me. If he finds out I told anybody about it, he would kill my husband.
It's alright, but you have already told me about it. You've told me about it. I can assure you, I promise, your husband will come back home alive. Trust me.
I am on my knees.
Please, I'm begging you. Please. What Akuna has done. Do you know that Akuna wants to marry our daughter that's already married to a Kimba? Mbano, it's not done. Listen, if we don't act now, it will be too late. Too late, and they think we are fools. But look, we must assert our authority, our strength.
When do we strike? She's not there. She's gone.
What do you mean by that? I told her to wait in there. She should be inside there.
I think she has disappeared.
What? Did your father prepare any chance for her to do that? You must be a moron to even think that a mere girl knows the act of disappearing into thin air. She'll be hiding somewhere. Look for her. Find her!
Known that she's a spirit.
I am not a spirit.
Why are you looking at me like that? I went to eat myself. I will eat and then you take me home.
Akunno dogu. Ono kuya. So foye na nu dekwe. Odogwu ara leiga.
Where is she? Why are you standing there staring at us?
You should have seen the look on your faces. I actually wondered if I didn't come at the wrong time.
No. You didn't come at the wrong time.
Have you heard anything about the beautiful fair girl everybody had been talking about? They said she was sighted in different places in the village. Ako, I equally heard that Ikemba brought her to make him the most powerful young man in Ebengu. Did you hear that?
Namde, I equally heard such rumors, but that is the least of my worries for now. I have something more important to do. You will have to go and come back some other time, so I can at least offer you some cola nuts. Where is she? Where is she?
I've always known that she's a spirit. She whispered to me not to look back or I die. She now said we should bring her food to her at an shrine.
What? When did she whisper that to you? When?
She whispered it to me before she now disappeared.
I don't want to hear that word disappear from your mouth again. Where is she?
Ola, you don't believe me. The person that told me this can never lie to me.
Hey. How can someone be a water spirit? Eh? What is it?
Who does Agona think he is? Just imagine how he dismissed me, as if I were an ant that was irritating him. I will make sure I make him pay so dearly for this. And I swear by the gods, when I am done dealing with Ikemba, I'll make sure I make this life so miserable for him. I think I have to go home and take a rest. Ah! Machi.
Namdi, my brother.
Machi Adayi wine.
How are you doing?
As you can see, I'm doing great. So, how are you and your husband's people?
Everybody's fine.
And you inclusive?
Why won't that include me?
I just wanted to be sure that they're treating you well. If they're not treating you well, I will mobilize the warriors in this land and invade them.
Namdi, I know what you can do for me and the daughters of this land. Don't worry, you don't need to invade anybody. We are all fine. The always the people are treating me very well.
You know, it's always good to remind our in-laws that our daughters and sisters are so precious to us. So good to see you again.
So good to see you too. Let me run along. I just came to spend a few days with my parents.
Alright then. Send my regards to them.
I will. Thank you.
It's obvious that treating her well. Today's not a terrible day after all.
What are you doing?
Mama, if you're blind to the fact that I am sharpening my machete, you would have heard the sound of metal systems. Only Akuna's head will appease my anger.
What?
And I will have it today.
Are you mad?
If a snake does not bite the way it should, children will use it to tie their firewood. Akuna will find it the hard way that I am nobody's fool.
Ikemba, we are working on how to cleanse the abomination you committed by beating your wife. You want to commit murder? Are you blind to what will happen to you if you take another person's life?
Mama, I am going to take Akuna's life and bear the consequences.
And you think I will allow you to leave this compound? Ikemba, if you are convinced that you want to commit murder, you have to kill me first. Because I will not live to be mocked on how my only son committed murder and was disgracefully killed as a result of that. You will not put your wife and I into such shame.
Mama, you will not stand in my way.
Then you have no choice. You either put down your machete or you kill me first. Where are you going to? Kill me! Kill me first.
I've been waiting forever for you to bring me something to eat. I hope the food does not look as miserable as the face. And if the food does not taste good, I am not going to eat anything.
Shut up! Did you have to bring us all the way to this place to give you food? What is your problem? You said you are hungry. We have brought you food. Give it to her so that she can shut up and eat. Put it in here. Put this in. All right.
I present this food to you to bless it. Let the nutrients in it nourish my body. But if there is any poison in this food, kill whoever put it. Did I really have to say that? Anyway, thank you for the food.
Wait. Don't eat the food.
Why? I am hungry.
I know you're hungry. But you don't have to eat it. Allow her to eat her food.
Akuna, you don't have to tell her to eat that food. I know I was arguing with Ikioye whether she would like the food or not. I don't think she will like it. I think we should take it back and make her another delicacy. Something more delicious.
Yes.
I know that it hurts your ego as men when I ask you to cook something for me. But what I don't understand is this sudden eagerness to make me something more delicious than what you've brought. Is there something you're not telling me?
Oh.
No.
Nothing.
No. Please. Don't eat the food. We poison the food. And you have just pleaded with Annie to kill whosoever that poisoned the food. Please don't eat it. Please.
Please. We don't want Annie to kill us. Please.
Please.
You really poisoned my food? Why? Why? Look, I don't know why you people want me dead. First, you wanted to sacrifice me to Annie. Now poison. You know what? I just want to go back to my people. I don't even know what I am still doing here. Can you people just take me back to my village instead of trying to kill me?
Both of you are fools! Big fools! Just big for nothing. She could have eaten. But because of your stupid fear for this useless honey, you now wasted all the opportunity. If you want to go back to your village, you're free to do so. Nobody is going to stop you again.
Your arrogance is so disgusting. But you know what? You brought me against my will and you are going to take me back to my village.
Don't dare talk to me in that manner, or I will tear you into 1,000 pieces. And I mean it.
Your threat is as empty as your dark soul. And I will talk to you in any manner I deem fit because you're nothing before me. And if you dare raise your voice one more time, I will crush you with my bare hands. Do I need to remind you that if I spit on this ground and it dries off, before you get me something more delicious and appetizing, I will eat you for my dinner. And you? I will roast you and nab you for breakfast. Now get out. I said leave!
Father.
Adania, where have you been?
Is that what should bother you now? I came here to ask how you dealt with Ikemba, but you just killed my excitement. If it's because you're hungry, let me know so I can go make something for you to eat.
Adania, you will make me something to eat, but first I want you to please smile on your face before I tell you what happened at Ikemba's house.
Papa, my ears are scratching already. I can't wait.
Adania, do you know my intention was to physically deal with him and finish him off with my influence? But something has happened. I walked in on Ikemba beating his wife. Even a snake will never receive that kind of beating from the people who want it dead.
You mean Ikemba beat up Neka?
Yes, but that is not the main issue. It has happened and we all know the consequences of such an act. Then, I will make sure it becomes the most escalated case in history of Egbengu. I will also make sure Umoku and Umona drag him on his knees to the land of the dead. Yes.
Papa, what a brilliant idea. Papa, I even heard that Machinweke came to see her people. You know she's one of the most vocal members of the Umoku.
This is the beginning of the end of Ikemba. When we are done with him, we will also deal with Nani, who said he will marry you and went around saying that he will not marry a badly raised daughter. When we are done with them, in fact, go in and get me.
Papa, this is such a brilliant idea. I'll get your food.
Get something to eat.
After the journey from Uwenze to Egbengu, I spent the rest of the day sleeping.
It's a good thing you came to see. And it's obvious that your husband is taking good care of you. I mean, look at how healthy you are. Anyway, that is how good we are to our wives.
Well, I can't deny that your people are treating me very well. But at the moment, you are in my village and I'm your husband. And as your husband, I can proudly say that in the history of this town, we've never married any wives that left. And that is because we know how to treat our wives very well.
Just imagine how you're bragging.
Wait, why would I brag? I've not said any lie. Is that not the reason the foreigner I heard that she's as beautiful as the morning sun is running after Ikemba?
Who is this foreign girl? I have heard so much about her.
Wait, you've not seen her before? I was told as soon as I got home. But it's your husband planning to marry another wife.
Why would he want to marry another wife? Why?
Anyway, I wouldn't know. But if he's planning to marry another wife, would you stop him?
I am not going to stop him, but I want to see the girl. I want to know what she has that could make him want to marry her after a few months of getting married to me.
Honestly, I am tired of what is going on here. I don't get it. I realized you were the one that showed me the way to Akuna's house. You even made me call people I have never met by their names. And know things I was not present when they happened. That was good. Wholesome. Well done. But I've been wondering, why can't you show me the way back to my village? Okay. If you never thought of it, I am telling you now, okay? Just show me the way to my village. Is that too much to ask for? You're silent. You don't want to say anything. Look, this is not funny! It is not funny! It is not! It's not funny!
Nanakwe, I've thought about this task in every possible way. But something keeps bothering me.
What is it? Tell me.
What if we attack Akuna and kill him? Won't even people see it as an act of war?
Of course it is an act of war.
What are we ready to do a window with them?
I don't want us to have a second thought about what we are destined to do. You go to Bengu. Bring back our brother. And bring me Akuna's head. Bengu people declared war on us when Akuna kidnapped our own brother. So nobody should blame us if we have to retaliate.
So what if it causes a war between...
Oh, Uzondo. A child does not fight for what belongs to him with one hand. He fights with both hands. I have instructed you to go to Ebengu and bring back our brother. Bring me that shoe. Trust me. I will provide water for you to wash your hands.
Nanakwe,
you have my blessing.
I will make every necessary arrangement and get back to you. Rest assured, I will do as you have said.
Oh, if it were those days when men were men, yeah, I would have gone to Bengo, come back with 7 heads. Anyway, do you know what happened when we went to war with Aban?
No.
I led the warriors. Aban stupid warriors, fools! They thought they could overrun us in that 2 days. Hey! Heads falling. Boom! They were just falling. Heads were falling, rolling all over the whole place, right, left, and center. Oh, go and catch that shoe for me.
What are you doing here?
Dear Mama, I know that you're not happy with me. My knees are on the ground and I am begging you to forgive me. Whatever it is that I have done wrong, please look at me with pity and forgive me.
Neka, I want to be left alone.
My brave husband.
I said I want to be left alone.
I have tried to make you happy, but to no avail. You have not told me exactly what I did to deserve all the ill treatment you have been giving me. It is alright, but I will not allow you to treat me like a woman who ran after you. You married me the way a woman is married. You performed all the required marriage rites. So you will treat me with respect. If you are doing this because you want to marry another...
Enough! Have you gone mad?
I would be mad to ignore the stories on the lips of everybody that you sent words to a very distant land for a very fair girl to be brought to you for marriage.
What nonsense are you talking about? So if I want to get married to another woman, I will send words and her parents would send her. Was that the way I married you?
No, but...
But what? Listen. I am struggling right here. I'm struggling real hard not to commit murder. I swear by the gods. If you don't get out of this place right now, you will not be alive to find out who my victim would be. Get out!
Salachi.
Mom, we have seen the light of another day. I was on my way to your house, Ozondo. Please, I am begging you in the name of motherhood to give me more time before you attack Akona. I've heard how heartless he is. I don't want to lose my husband. Please.
I would have agreed to your plea. But as you can see, I am on my way to join the other warriors which have assembled for this task.
Mom, I am your wife, but right now, I want you to see me as your mother. A mother who should be proud of his son, that he is brave enough to fight for her, but begs for more time. Please.
How much time do you ask?
4 market days.
No. 4 market days is too much.
Hey.
Listen, you have talked to me as a mother, but I will listen to you as our wife. It is said that no husband refuses the request of a good wife. But I can't give you 4 market days. I can only delay the warriors for 1 more night.
1 more night?
Yes, hey. 1 more night, and we strike.
Hey, Ozondo, 1 more night. Ozondo! Hey, Ozondo! Ozondo!
Why are you looking at me like that? It actually looks like you're staring at a ghost.
Who are you?
I appeared before you and the best you can do is to ask me stupid questions. Oku, who do you think you are? One word from you and I will strike you dead instantly. You know, people like you are the reason there will never be peace in the world. Do you think you're the only man who has a daughter he loves so much? You sent her mother away because she does not support the way you were raising Adora. And you think you will have peace?
What are you saying?
That you are the most irresponsible father the world has ever known. I have come to warn you that if you do not change from your evil ways and embrace the life of truth, I will send angry bees and they will stink you to death. You will die a miserable death if you continue in the path you're treading. I will not warn you and your father again. Amend your ways and live. But continue in your path of irresponsibility and I will make you suffer. Angry bees will stink you to death and eat out your eyes. And your corpses will not be buried, but left as food for wild animals and birds of prey. Oku. And he has also heard the cries of the widows you've been threatened with all kinds of evil if they do not allow you sleep with them. The next time you secretly go to their houses at night will be the last time you'll be alive to visit any widow in this town. Normal. It's like I am going crazy. I cannot be walking up to people and even going to their homes to talk about things that do not concern me. Is it not only a mad person that would do that? How do I know the things I say to them, but It is impossible for me to go back home. I know my way to people's houses. How?
Messenger of Annie, I greet you.
What did you say?
I have heard rumors about you. Some say you're a water spirit, while others say other things. But it seems you're not aware of who you are.
My name is Erin Michael Kwe.
The messenger of Annie.
Oh. You're the messenger of Annie?
No. You are the messenger of Annie. Let me take my leave.
No! I reject it! I cannot be the messenger of any god. I have to go back home. I have to go back to my town. Akuna must take me home today or I'm going to kill him. You brought me to this village to sacrifice to your god, but that did not work for you, did it? Now your god wants... Does your god want to make me a servant? That will not be nice at all, and I will not accept it. Now, you will leave whatever you're doing and take me back to my village. I will make you regret your life.
You
will make me regret my life?
What I did to you yesterday is child's play compared to what I would do to you if you do not move right now.
I'm not afraid. And why I have not killed you is what I do not understand. But now that you rubbed it in my face, are you surprised? I have fortified myself more than I've ever done. Now,
good morning.
Machi, it's good to see you again. I heard you were here yesterday. How are you and the people of Umwe?
We are all fine.
That is good.
We are all fine.
It's good.
Ikemba, there's a reason I came to see you. It is not in my capacity as a member of Umobu, but as your sister. I want to know, why did you beat up your wife?
Machi, I will forgive you for asking me that question because we are related. But if you dare ask me that question again, I swear by the gods you will not walk out of this compound with your 2 legs.
Ikemba, it is said that whoever sees a chicken scattering excreta should chase it away, because nobody knows who would eat the feet. That is the reason I came, but you chose to threaten me. You should know that both of us are from this land, and none of us is a coward.
Machi, leave.
I will leave, but expect that I will be back. This time, not as a sister, but as a daughter of this soil. And this time around, you will know that I'm not Nwabo for nothing.
Neka! Neka!
My husband!
No one has ever insulted me. But because of you, any idiot can walk into my father's compound to insult me. If you did not make yourself so cheap as to go and have an affair with Akuna, I would not be receiving this insult.
Affair? I am not having any affair with Akuna.
What do you take me for? Is that what you think of me? I saw you hugging him in front of his house. If you could do that in the open, who knows what you could do with him in the darkness?
Ikemba, now what you think? I was just...
Listen, the only reason you are still in this compound is because I don't want Akuna to have the last laugh. But as soon as I cut him down to size, that will send you back to your parents in shame.
Ikemba, I told you.
Mother, I do not want to hear anything.
Ikemba! Ikemba!
Neka, tell me exactly what happened in Akuna's home.
Akuna, I never told you that I want
wanted to marry you. We may have known each other, but that wasn't the past. I now belong to Ikemba and I want you to respect that. So please, do not ever send this to come and give me stupid messages. Akuna, I will not warn you again.
Nneka, it's either you misunderstood the message or Ikoye gave you a wrong message. What did you tell her?
I told her we kidnapped her father.
Oh, if only you knew who my father is.
Hey, wait! I have one surprise package for you. You wanted to say something about your father. What was it? Oh, yes. We all know he was the greatest warrior of his own time. But that was in the past. See, Obro Bakata Bakata. No. Oh, I am the greatest warrior of today.
Please do not harm my father. You have to let him go, please. Please, you have to let him go. Don't harm him, please.
Yeah.
Please do not harm my father.
It's okay. It is you who have to decide whether any harm comes to your father or not.
Please.
Okay. I'll make it simple for you. Very simple. You have just 2 days to leave Ikemba and come back to me. That's simple.
Akuna, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I am a married woman and I cannot...
I don't care! If you do not leave Kemba in 2 days and come to my house, it means you want to hear me. And I'll have no other option than to kill your father. And if you understood what that means, I want you to give me a hug. And if you fail to give me a hug, it means you want me to kill your father. Come on, come on. You raise your hands up. Yes, that's how I like it. Come on. Hold me tight. Hold me well. And you'll be wise enough not to tell this to anybody. And if you do, there will be a dire consequence to this. You're not smiling. Yes. You are still not smiling. Yes. 2 days.
Mother, what he saw was different from what really happened.
Tell me exactly what happened.
I know you trust me, and I don't want to lose your trust.
Nneka, what is it that you are struggling so hard to keep to yourself?
I don't want to lose my father. I really want to tell you, but I can't.
It's alright. But I will no longer stand for what I do not know anything about.
Akuna kidnapped my father.
What did you say?
Akuna kidnapped my father. Akuna kidnapped my father and warned me not to tell anybody. He gave me until today to come and live with him, else he will kill my father. The day he told me about it was the day he came and saw us. He asked me to hug him, else he will kill my father. I hugged him. I believe that was when he came and saw us.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, Mother.
Your name is Nneka, and I am going to show you why Mother is supreme. The fight is now mine.
Akuna! Akuna!
Remember, it is never a sign of strength to be screaming like a madman. Why have you come here when I am expecting Nick?
Akuna! You are having an affair with my wife, and you have the guts to say it to my face? I saw you hugging her right here.
Is that what you saw? As far as I'm concerned, you did not have any claim over her. As a matter of fact, she belongs to me because she screams my name each time we are making love, and I'm sure she have never whispered your name even when you're giving your
Akuna!
Akuna! No. Go back. Go back. Go back. This is between Ikemba and myself. I am going to tie you up and make you hear your wife scream from the sweet things I'll be doing to her.
Akuna!
Ikemba! Time up! Anger has always been your problem, and I have just used it against you. Ikemba, you must be a fool to believe that I have anything to do with Nneka. And if you have punished her for that, I want you to feel the pain of knowing that you punished an innocent girl. She hugged me because I told her that if she refused to do it, I will kill her father, whom has been my captive, and I'm still holding him captive. Ikemba, you are a fool. A big fool. Take him. Take him. Let's go and tie him there.
If I don't go in, how will I find out if the fire I lit has burned down the happiness in this home or not? Ha! Ezigbo nwanyị. Masiolu. The only woman who traveled miles away to marry. Nwanyị dị ka achọrọ. Odioko na mba. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very well. Where is Ikemba?
He's not at home.
Okay. When he comes back, tell him that I came to check for him.
I will.
Alright. Did you ask him about the fair girl? What did he say about that? Did he get angry?
You are also my husband. And I will not do anything to make you two quarrel. You have nothing to worry about.
Masiolo. Thank you. I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
Neka, what was that all about?
He told me about that girl.
The girl that was seen with my son?
You knew about it?
Yes. She was rumored to be a spirit. I asked my son about it. He did not say a word. That was the same day Ikemba saw you in Akuna's place.
It has been rumored that he wants to marry her. Nnamdi mistakenly told me. I'm sure he wanted to find out if I told Ikemba and if Ikemba is angry about it. Mother, is it true that Ikemba wants to marry another wife?
Ikemba!
Ogun, what are you doing here? Akuna! What is he doing here? If anything happens to him, then shut up. Keep quiet! You are in no position to issue threats. No? I am sure he believed you are coming to save him. You can see how disappointed and discouraged he is. You have failed him, just as you failed his daughter. Akuna! I am not going to spare you. Fine. By the time I am done with my plans, the only people you will not spare are my enemies. What are you talking about? Oh, you want to know? I'll gladly explain it to you.
How could this be? And he wants the fair one to be her messenger until the dark one gives birth to the next Ezani. Hey, it baffles me.
Uchichi. What Annie wants is none of my business. What do you think of my plan? What do you see?
Your plan is audacious. It is bold-hearted and not faint-hearted. I see success and power in your plan. However, there is something you have to do.
I'm all ears.
You have to dig a round hole at the depth of a knee. Put a stool inside there. Make sure Ikemba sits firmly there so that he cannot move. Then you bring his father-in-law. Make sure you kill him and that you sprinkle his blood on Ikemba's face as a blood covenant. After that, you fill the hole with the mud, then cover Ikemba with a mound of mud, but leave space for the mouth and the ears, so that you can communicate with him after he might have died.
I understand. Uchichi, you are a great man.
Thank you.
I did not travel this far, crossing lands in search of you for nothing.
I will come in 4 market days to perform further rituals, and after that you have a deity at your command. You'll be fortified. You can go ahead and marry Neka, the dark one, and if you wish, even Irima, the fair one.
Uchichi Mong?
Yes, I am Uchichi.
Mong?
The darkness that begets light.
Oh, give me a minute. The only thing is, Uchichi Biano Wapuma Dinisi. If I'm not Joseph, Eba Isi, Biabake, Odo Chichi there. For the first time since I had the misfortune of knowing you, your mouth is silent. Don't you have anything to say?
I am not going to be the messenger of Annie, and I will never marry you. I will destroy you.
Aye, shut up. You do not have such powers. It was only illusion created in you by Annie. You are only powerful at the shrine of Annie. The greatest mistake you made was coming to my house. Anyway, by the time I am done, I'll then decide whether I will marry you or not.
Akuna, the only person who is going to die here is you. If these two would want to die too, I will gladly kill them.
No! Who will kill me? Who? Oh, save those strength. Strength. I know you have it. Save it. You will need them to serve me as my deity.
You are a madman. You are a madman, and I will never marry you.
Do you have a choice? Any choice? Get him! Put him there! Let's take up the process just as Uchichi has directed. Go on! Put him in there.
Annie, the earth goddess, I have come with my daughter-in-law. They said you have been silent for a long while now, but we have come to you for justice. We are mere mortals and might not be as strong as others, but we stand on the side of truth and justice. Daughter of great Chukwu Okike, we leave everything in your hands.
Please. Ifoma.
What is it, Ogini? What is it?
Ifoma, listen to me. I am sorry for all the bad things I've said about you. I swear by the gods, I will never do anything that will hurt you again.
Adora, please. Leave me alone. Okay? Leave me, you caused me a lot of trouble. And I'm not...
And I'm saying I am sorry. Have you ever seen me apologize to anybody before?
That's true. Why are you apologizing to me?
Because I want to be a better person.
You want to be a better person? Giwa. Adora, no. You want to be a better person? So tell me, what is responsible for this?
Ifoma, at some point in your life, you have to sit down and advise yourself. I have done that, and I've realized that I will have myself to blame for however my life turns out. Look, I want to start living a new life, and I am going to apologize to everybody I've ever wronged, so that I can start living this new life on a fresh take.
Hey, is this happening? Adora, come here. This is beautiful. This is being reasonable. Come somewhere. Let's go. Mother, you're here. My in-law.
No.
You are welcome.
No. Mama, why are you here? Mom, I am here to see your husband. He is the only one who can help us at the moment. My in-law, what is the problem? Akonna, the warrior from this village, has kidnapped my husband. I know he is famed for his strength. Ogom, please. I know your son can make him retrace his steps.
I have not seen my husband since morning. He didn't tell anybody before leaving the house.
Yes. We need to find him. I have only today and the dusk of tomorrow before the youth of Umeze attack him. I am scared. I might not be able to stop them, and your father might be killed in the process.
I have to go to Akuna's house.
Why?
He gave me until today to come and live with him as his wife. If I don't go, he will kill father.
Hey! And what would you do if you get to his house? Masiolo, you know you have started having misunderstanding with your husband over him. I wouldn't want this whole thing to get out of hand.
Honestly, I don't know what I will do, but even the gods know that I can never marry such a despicable man. I have to save father first.
Neka! Hey! What kind of faith is this? Hey! Hey, whoa! Hey!
My wife. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine. I was on my way to collect something for my mother-in-law. I will talk to you later.
Is he coming back?
No.
She thinks she's smarter than me. I can see through her, and I know everything is not all right. I will have the last laugh by the time I completely destroy Ikemba. I'll go after her because I need to find out more.
Akonna! Akonna!
Yes, what can I do for you?
Akonna, I have come to beg you to let my father go. I will do whatever you want. Please, let him go.
If you agree to marry me, so I will release your father. What are you offering me for Ikemba so that I can let him go?
Ikemba? What have you done with him? Are you also holding him captive?
I knew you would come. I have another big surprise for you. If you will come with me, I'll give you the greatest gift of your life.
Where is my husband?
I am your husband! Now,
I am sorry.
you are forgiven. After all, I cannot be angry with you when I am about to give you the greatest gift you will ever receive in your whole lifetime. Come with me. Now, you're not smiling. Yeah.
Father!
Why are you such in a hurry to meet them? Of course, that's a surprise I have for you, but you are too excited. Ikuku, tie her up so she can control her excitement.
Why do you want to tie me up?
Now that you are here, you are a very important spectator. Let's begin. Let's begin.
Let's begin what?
Kill the old man and sprinkle his blood on Ikemba.
Kill the old man?
Kill the old man and sprinkle his blood.
You can't do that.
Who will stop me? We will kill the old man, sprinkle his blood on Ikemba. That's it. Yes.
I want to kill my father.
Who will stop me?
You can't do that.
Who will stop me? Let's begin. Go on.
You can't kill my father.
Who will stop me? Who?
Please don't do it. You can't do it.
You see, I had wanted to be the priest of Annie. Not just a priest, but a powerful one. However, Annie feels I'm not good enough. But today, I am going to be the priest of my own deity. And whose spirit best suits my deity? Strong fairy Ikemba. Kill the old man.
What are you saying? Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? You can't do that. You can't do that.
Bring him.
You can't do that.
Our wife? Why? Is that not our in-law? Why are both of you seated as if someone had just died? What is going on?
My husband, our in-law is here to see us, but Nneka is not around. She went out a while ago.
Where could she have gone to?
Nayoko, I greet you. Nayoko.
Ah!
I greet you.
Machi, you look great. How is your family?
We are fine, Nayoko. Machi, I hope everything is alright. I'm here to see Ikemba.
Is everything alright?
Ikemba said that he's ready for any music the Umuokpo plays for him. I have come to inform him that the entire Umuokpo is ready for him, and we will teach him that Nneka is our wife and he has no right to beat her. Udenko,
did Ikemba beat my daughter?
Ogomwanyi Biko, don't misunderstand this whole thing. Ikemba made a great mistake by slapping his wife. Instead of him apologizing and making amends, he chose to be stubborn about it. He even dared the Umuokpo. Nanyoko, please help me tell the Umuokpo.
Hey! Udenko, you know when it comes to Umuokpo, no man will want to interfere.
I assume he's not around. When he comes back, deliver my message to him.
Tell him that by the next Oye market day, which is in 2 days' time, that we shall come back for him. And he will see us in our numbers, and we shall see his powers.
Please, my sister, I think there is a mistake somewhere. We can sort things out. Okoye, please help them all to calm our in-law down while I talk to my sister.
So, Ikemba has been beating up my daughter instead of protecting her. Are you people waiting for him to kill her so you will bring back her corpse to us?
It happened just once.
That once is enough to show that you brought her here to kill her. I will not accept it. It is unacceptable. I am going to give him a piece of my mind when he comes back.
My sister, we all know that our brother has done something wrong. I want to make it clear to you that I am not in support of what he did. And I am not saying he will not be punished. Biko, I want you to know that he's still our brother. I didn't want us to discuss it in front of our in-law. We all know what it could result to.
Nayoko, where is Ikemba?
I do not know. But there is no way he will not come back to his house today.
Nayoko, it is important that the Umuobo hears directly from him.
That is not a problem. I will make sure he listens to you and that he does the right thing.
Nayoko, I will want you to do something for us.
Whatever you want me to do, I will do it. As long as this case does not escalate.
Please.
That's okay. I greet you. Nekamba, I have a message from Namdi.
What message?
Ikoy, wait. You have to move him close. Remember what he told us. The blood has to splash on his face.
No, you can't kill my father. No!
Hey, shut up!
No, you can't kill my father!
Hey.
Nabi,
Kimba.
Papa.
Namdi.
What happened here? Ikemba!
Nigga, I have learned my lessons. I will never allow my ego and my anger to cloud my sense of reasoning. I am sorry I raised my hand at you. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me for raising my hand on you. It will never happen again. And I'm ready for the punishment that comes with it. Please, forgive me. I am sorry.
Hey, I am still here. Alright, now that the wicked man has been killed, who's going to take me back to my village? He kidnapped me and he knows the way. What is the name of this village, by the way? Anyway, that does not matter. But would anyone know how I can find my way back to my village? Anybody?
Where is your village? Ikuku and Ikoye are still out there. I'll hunt them down. And they'll help me send you back to your people. I'll take my wife home. And then I'll go after them.
Wait a minute. Wait. Akuna told me that and he wants me to be a messenger until the Dark One gives birth to our priest. Neka, you're the Dark One, right? Are you already pregnant? Or you and your husband are waiting for permission to get pregnant? Look, I want to know.
Keep quiet.
Easy.
Keep quiet.
Look, I have to know. Because I can't see myself as a messenger of any god or deity. Wait! You don't understand. I need to know. I cannot be a messenger of any god. Okay, at least tell me what is the name of this village. Let me know if I can. Annie, I heard that you are a woman. So I have come for us to talk woman to woman. You are the reason I have been going through all this. Nobody wants to take me home. Each time I try to find my way back to my village, I keep coming back to this place. How? I don't understand it. Okay, now that I am here, what am I supposed to do? I am not even angry that you allowed that moron called Akuna to tie me up. But that is in the past now. So, what exactly am I supposed to? Huh? What did you say? Is that a joke? You mean you actually said that to Akuna? No! No! There is no way I will become your messenger until your priest is born. I don't even know if Neka is pregnant or they are still waiting for you to give them permission to get pregnant. For how long am I supposed to be stuck here? How long?